Hello everyone, and thanks for checking out our channel, where it's our goal to create a community of informed traders and investors by sharing technical analysis and collaborating together to ace the charts. We look forward to working with you, so let's get started. Looking at Bitcoin on the weekly chart, you can see that we fell to lower lows and lower highs. Our last lower low was at 31.35, and then we set a lower high at 42.39.37. So compared to our last lower high, we have another one set here, and now we're pulling back. So what the bulls will need to do in order to change the trend on the weekly time frame, we have our lower high, then we need to set a higher low somewhere above 31.35 and then break to a higher high. We need that to happen to change the trend on the weekly chart. Now let's take a look at the daily time frame. On the daily chart, we had an inside bar that we were watching overnight, and that broke bullish. If you follow us on Twitter, we sent out a tweet that we were watching this inside bar and the 4-hour equilibrium pattern that you can see if you zoom in. So we were watching that pattern. It broke bullish overnight. If you would like to follow us on Twitter, you can click on the link in the description of this video. So we now have a higher low on the daily time frame at 35.41, and then we broke to a higher high. Notice that the bulls are meeting resistance here at the 26 period EMA. Let's take a look now at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, you can see the tightening equilibrium pattern that we tweeted about, with our low, high of the bounce, higher low, lower high, higher low, tightening up, and then we broke bullish overnight. We are currently consolidating after this bull break, and notice that we have a bullish cross of the 12 and 26 period exponential moving averages. So the bulls will want to maintain those averages as support. Let's zoom into the hourly time frame now. On the hourly chart, you can see our bull break here, and you can see that we are well above the 12 and 26 period exponential moving averages. The bulls will want to maintain those as support and keep the uptrend on the hourly chart. So if we lose the uptrend on the hourly chart, lose the EMAs, then that's concern for the bulls. Now let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum had the same 4-hour equilibrium pattern playing out, with our low, high of the bounce, higher low, lower high, tightening up, and the bull break overnight. We sent out a tweet last night about this setup as well. So if you would like more information that's not in these videos, follow us on Twitter, click the link in the description of this video. One thing I noticed about the difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum right now is that Bitcoin has already crossed the 12 and 26 exponential moving averages bullish, and Ethereum has not yet. So if I go back to the Bitcoin 4-hour chart, you can see here the bullish cross that we do not have on Ethereum yet. That said, we are above the 12 and 26 period EMAs, so the bulls will want to maintain that as support. Let's take a look now at the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, you can see that we also have a bullish cross of the 12 and 26 period exponential moving averages. We are consolidating, and the bulls will want to set a higher low and then a higher high to maintain the uptrend on the hourly chart. If we lose the uptrend on the hourly chart, that's going to be our first sign of caution for the bulls. Thanks everyone for checking out our channel. If you find these videos helpful, please click the like button and subscribe. Our goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers so we can continue to create more free content. Also, if you are interested in helping us build a community to collaborate together, click the link in the description of this video to sign up. It's free to join, so do it today, and let's work together to ace the charts.